Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, how are all? I hope all are fine. Now I am going to start chapter 8. Chapter name is fraction. Our topic is reducing fraction. At first, to reduce a fraction, divide both numerator and denominator by a common factor. In previous class, I learned the common factor. For example, divided by 18. Step 1, to reduce a fraction, divide both numerator and denominator by a common factor. Math is, for example, 15 divided by 18. In here, the common factor is of 15 and 18 is 3. So, this 3 is dividing both numerator and denominator. 15 divided by 3 and 18 divided by 3. Get result 5 divided by 6. This is the division method. For doing division method, all students should know the times table of 3. So, here result is 5 divided by 6. To know properly to reduce a fraction, I will show another example. And this is example 12 divided by 15. In here, common factor of 12 and 15 is also 3. So 3 is dividing by the both numerator and denominator. So I can write 12 divided by 3, 15 divided by 3, get result 4 divided by 5, and here answer is 4 divided by 5. Now our topic is finding common denominator. Here is 2 steps. Student, step 1 is find a common multiple of the denominators. In the last class we learned it. Step 2, convert the fractions so that they have the same denominators. We use the least common factor such as LCM of the original denominators. To understand these steps, I will give an example for you. Example: convert 3 divided by 5 and 2 divided by 3 into fractions with common denominators. Solution: for 3 divided by 5. Now, at first, I find a common multiple of these denominators. For finding common multiples, we use the multiplication process, which is given the previous class. So 3 is multiplying the same number, 3 is multiplying the 2, and 5 is multiplying 2, and get result 6 divided by 10. 3 divided by 5 equals 2. 3 is multiplying by 3 and 5 is also multiplying by 3, and get result 9 divided by 15. And 3 is also 3 divided by 5 equals 2. 3 is multiplying by 4 and 5 is also multiplying by 4. And so on. For second fraction number, I follow this rule. This fraction number is also multiplying the same number, and that is 2. In here, this fraction number is also multiplying by 3 and get result 6 divided by 9, and this fraction number is multiplying both this fraction number is multiplying by 4 and get result 8 by 12, and so on. In here, we can see that the common denominators are 15 and here is also 15. So, this is convert result is 3 divided by 5, 2 divided by 3 is 9 divided by 15, 10 divided by 15. And this is the result. Here, in the question, it is said that convert it with common denominators. Here 15 is the common denominator between the two fraction number, that is 3 divided by 5 and 2 divided by 3. So answer is 9 divided by 15 and 10 divided by 15. Here is another example. Convert into fraction with common denominators. But here is 3 fraction. So solution is here LCM of 3, 4 and 2 is 12. This 12 is dividing by the first fraction number denominator and get it 4. This 4 is multiplying both numerator and denominator, the first fraction number, and get result 4 divided by 12. For first fraction. For second fraction, divided by 4, get result 3. This 3 is multiplying both numerator and denominator and get result 3 divided by 12. For third fraction number, 12 divided by 2, get result 6. This 6 is multiplying both numerator and denominator and get result 6 divided by 12. Here all denominators are common, so the result is 4 divided by 12, 3 divided by 12, 6 divided by 12, and answer Dear student, in the lecture sheet many exercise is given. I hope all exercise will be practiced by all students. Thanks to all.